Hi, it's Clay, the guy who wants to raise your business up. Today, let's know what is a verified seller. Like the last video I mentioned, the verified seller means the point to assist you to choose the original seller faster, better, and trust. Okay, let's translate the page to English. Then, you could say that they are with more than 10 years of experience and be trusted by so many seller or agent. Not only wholesaling in Europe, but also tending in the USA. As a point, we need to choose the verified seller. In a sense, it could help you to choose the hot-selling items from the verified seller and tend your own business. Thanks so much.